Hello dear students, welcome to the class today. Children, we are carrying on with the revision work, revision work of history, chapter 1. Children, this chapter is important because you need to understand the various sources of history, how history has been made, and in this book, actually in this history book that we will be doing, in this history book we have to find out the empires. We have to find out the history of 1,000 years. We are studying about the history of 1,000 years. So when we are talking about these 1,000 years, the changes that had occurred in past 1,000 years and the new innovations and the new things that have been introduced, we will be talking about it. Okay? Now, all these 1,000 years of history that we are exploring, in the last video that we have discussed, we were talking about big empires. Big empires were established in many regions. These empires were there. Just to name a few, कुछ जो खास थे, some of the ones which were very, very prominent empires, which we were talking about, उसमें we have discussed the Mauryas, the Mughals, where they are Khaljis, Cholas, Tughlaqs, all these people, all these empires that were there. Some of them were dynastic empires and some of them were the newly established empires. Please understand that the functions that these empires were establishing, the functions that they were performing, definitely it has brought a revolutionary change in India. Okay? Today what we are discussing is that this was the period which had also seen changes in the religion. Got it? So, and ruling dynasties which were there, some of the ruling dynasties continuously were fighting with each other. अक्सर इनकी लड़ाइयाँ होती रहती थी, लेकिन कुछ रूलिंग डायनास्टीज ऐसी थी जो आपस में मिलजुल के सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉर्ट आउट करते थे, एंड द पीपल यूज्ड टू फाइंड आउट वेज एंड मेथड्स जिसमें कि प्रॉपर केयर कैन बी टेकन, प्रॉपर थिंग्स वेयर टू बी डन. इट वाज थ्रू द establishment of these empires. Okay? Actually, why did they fight with each other? अक्सर इनकी लड़ाइयाँ क्यों होती थी? Why did they fight with each other? It was because some of them were there who wanted to show off their power. अपना पावर दिखाना चाहते थे. They always wanted to prove कि हमारे आगे कोई नहीं है. ओके? तो ये सारी टसल चल रही थी. In the meantime, what happened? Some things that had happened was old and new religion. The religious groups that were coming up. Okay? These religious groups were very powerful. Some of the religious groups have established themselves in such a manner, इस तरह से उन्होंने establish किया था कि उनके लाखों followers हो गए. Remember the Bhakti and the Sufi traditions that we have studied in chapter 8. कितना हमको समझ में आया? The new traditions that were there, the Guru Nanak Dev Ji was there, Kabir Das Ji, Tulsi Das Ji, all these people, इनके बारे में जो हमने पढ़ा, it was between these 1,000 years only. Okay? Then what happened? New gods were coming up. Construction of temples was there by the big emperors. Emperors temples बनवाते थे. Why? Because they were the patrons. You have to understand the meaning of patrons. Okay? अब patron का मतलब अक्सर this word is very frequently used. इस शब्द का इस्तेमाल बहुत ज्यादा होता है, सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एक्चुअली इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड पेट्रन. Patron is an influential, wealthy individual, an influential, wealthy individual okay, who supports another person, an artist who supports another person, and artist, a craftsperson, a learned man, a craftsperson, a learned man, or a noble. ठीक है. अब प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, इसको हमको इसलिए समझना है बिकॉज दीज पेट्रन्स हैव प्लेड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन I'm sorry children, in promoting some of the great artwork, some of the great poets, some of the people who were like very nicely involved into some or the other work. कुछ न कुछ काम कर रहे थे. Somewhere they were involved, somewhere they were engaged. Knowledge of Sanskrit text was there, Brahmins were there, patrons were there, who were new rulers searching for prestige. तो कोई बहुत अच्छा he is a very good दर्जी, बहुत अच्छे सुंदर कपड़े बनाता है, तो the emperor will say कि आप सिर्फ मेरे लिए कपड़े बनाओ, whatever money you need I'll give you, मेरे भगवान जी के लिए कपड़े बनाओ, money is not a problem. So patrons were there who were supporting an artist, a craftsperson, learned man, noble, all these people who want to work, जो कि काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन इनको सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, तो अनकंडीशनल सपोर्ट was provided by these patrons. Got it? Please try to understand. Major development during this period, the major development that had happened was idea of bhakti. ठीक है, old and new religion, हमने भक्ति traditions के बारे में we have already talked about bhakti traditions. Now in these bhakti traditions what has happened that loving personal deity was there. हमारे अपने एक भगवान हमने खोज लिया, हमने अपना एक भगवान बना लिया, एंड एलैबोरेट रिचुअल्स आर देयर. हमको इसके बारे में और भी आगे चैप्टर 8 में जो हमने पढ़ा, वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड अबाउट इट, अबाउट लॉट ऑफ भक्ति ट्रेडिशंस एंड द पीपल हु वेर फॉलोइंग सम गॉड, फॉलोइंग सम ग्रुप. तो ये जो था, न्यू रिलीजन्स वेर कमिंग अप इन द सब कॉन्टिनेंट. पूरे एरिया में नए नए तरीके से नए नए रिलीजन आ रहे थे. मर्चेंट्स वेर देयर, माइग्रेंट्स वेर देयर. अब क्या हुआ, एक तो भक्ति ट्रेडिशन हुआ, न्यू फॉलोअर्स ऑफ सम रिलीजन, and Sufi tradition. सूफी ट्रेडिशन में क्या था, मुस्लिम्स, ठीक है, द इस्लामिक पीपल हु हैड कम टू आवर कंट्री, दे हैव ब्रॉट दिस न्यू रिलीजन, दिस न्यू कल्चर, जहाँ पे कि वन गॉड वॉज was worshipped, that is Allah, and His love and mercy and His bounty had engrossed everyone. जो भी anybody and everybody can accept this religion and can follow this religion. Many rulers were there. They were patrons of Islam and ulama. इसमें क्या था कि again rulers were patrons of, ये नए वे में Islam was spreading, so patron of Islam and ulama. Islam and ulama. Got it? Learned theologians were there, jurists were there. Theologians, the people who study religion, who do a lot of research work on religion. They are the theologians. Got it? Jurists were there. कि जो गुरु हैं, the people who are following certain customs and traditions and certain religious people, the guru who is there, they are blindly accepting the messages of guru and they are promoting the religion in a very different manner. जैसे हिंदुइज्म में क्या था, इस्लाम was interpreted in various ways. सब लोग एक ही रास्ते में नहीं चल रहे थे. अब you have various ways to reach to the God. अल्टीमेटली क्या करना है, भगवान की पूजा करनी है, भगवान को रेस्पेक्ट करना है. तो वी हैव टू सी हाउ टू रेस्पेक्ट गॉड एंड हाउ टू फॉलो गॉड. तो अमंग्स द मुस्लिम कैटेगरी, टू कैटेगरीज वेयर देयर. द शियाज वेयर देयर हु वर बिलीविंग इन अली एंड मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के लीडर थे, एंड सुन्नी मुस्लिम्स वेयर देयर हु एक्सेप्टेड द रिलीजन ऑफ खलीफा. दो ग्रुप्स होते हैं. देखो, अमंग्स द हिंदुइज्म ऑल्सो देयर आर मेनी ग्रुप्स, मेनी कस्टम्स, मेनी ट्रेडिशंस. इन द सेम वे इनके यहाँ पे भी टू ग्रुप्स वेयर देयर हु वेयर फॉलोइंग कस्टम्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट मैनर. अलग तरीके से सारी चीजों को चला रहे थे. तो देयर वेयर इंपॉर्टेंट डिफरेंसेस वेयर देयर अमंग्स द वेरियस स्कूल्स. ठीक है, सूफी ट्रेडिशन में there were two groups. एक थे शिया and another was Sunni. Shia followed Ali, who was the son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad के वो दामाद थे, लेकिन उनके अंदर भी कुछ something that was there which was away from this world. And Sunni Muslims were there. They followed the Khalifa. ये लोग खलीफा को फॉलो करते थे. अच्छा, डिफरेंट स्कूल्स वेयर देयर. इस्लामिक लॉज लोगों को पता होना चाहिए ना. पीपल शुड नो अबाउट इस्लाम. पीपल शुड नो हाउ इस्लाम इज टू बी फॉलोड एंड व्हाट इज टू बी डन. किस तरह से इस्लाम को फॉलो करना है, किस तरह से लोगों को इसके बारे में बताना है. सो अमंग्स द सूफी ट्रेडिशंस देयर वर टू स्कूल्स दैट हैज डेवलप्ड. वन वाज हनाफी एंड, क्योंकि एक तो हनाफी हो गया and the other one was Shafi. अभी विष्णु पुराण, हिंदू पुराण एंड शिव पुराण जिस तरह हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं है, अलग अलग कैटेगरीज, अलग अलग गॉड्स को बहुत सारे लोग फॉलो करते हैं. तो उसी तरह से दे ऑल्सो वेयर प्रीचिंग देयर आइडियाज, दे ऑल्सो वेयर प्रीचिंग देयर कस्टम्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस. जिनको भी इस्लाम के बारे में जानना है, anybody and everybody who wanted to know about Islam, they needed to follow these schools. इन schools की क्या बात है, मतलब they needed to understand how customs and traditions are to be followed. किस तरह से customs and traditions को follow करना है. तो thinking about time and historical periods. what happens is ना, हम 1000 साल की हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे पूरी बुक में, हमने पढ़ लिया है, मतलब रिविजन वी आर डूइंग. सो when we are understanding the history of 1000 years, there are many aspects that we need to assess. काफी सारी चीजें हैं जो हमको समझना चाहिए. ओके, सो थिंकिंग अबाउट टाइम एंड हिस्टोरिक पीरियड्स. Thinking about time and historic periods. अलग अलग समय के बारे में हम बातें कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग कल्चर्स, कस्टम्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस के बारे में. सो हिस्टोरियंस क्या होता है, दे डू नॉट सी टाइम जस्ट एज पासिंग ऑफ आवर्स, डेज और ईयर्स, कि दिन निकल रहे हैं, साल निकल रहे हैं, महीने निकल रहे हैं. क्लॉक और कैलेंडर नहीं है. टाइम इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग चेंजेस. खाली ये नहीं देखना है कि ड्यूरिंग 16th century दिस हैज हैपेंड, ड्यूरिंग 18th century दिस हैज हैपेंड. It is not only a matter of time, dear students. There are many other things that are reflected in time. Along with the changing time, there is also change in social and economic organizations. So, along with changing time, there is change in social and political, economic organizations also. Social and economic organizations. Changes were happening ना, बड़े स्केल पे चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. So when these changes are happening on a large scale, everything needs to be kept in mind. सारी चीजों को ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ आइडियाज आर देयर. वक्त के साथ सब चीजें बदल जाती हैं. आइडियाज चेंज, बिलीफ चेंज. ओके, तो ये द स्टडी दैट इज हैपनिंग, द स्टडी ऑफ टाइम दैट इज टेकिंग प्लेस, it is made easier by dividing past into different categories. There are different segments. Okay, different periods are there. जिसमें कि there are certain characteristics which are very evident. मिडिल 19th century में ब्रिटिश हिस्टोरियंस ने हमको ये पीरियडाइजेशन दिया है. What happens is that 3 periods have been divided. So British historians divided history of India into 3 periods. Britishers have done a lot of work on the Indian history. They understood that Indian history has got such a glorious past. इतना अद्भुत चीजें इंडिया में है जो कि there which is nowhere. So they wanted to study all these things. So, British divided Indian history into 3 different periods. अलग अलग पीरियड्स में अलग अलग कैटेगरीज थी. ये क्या था, इन्होंने क्या किया, दे हैव डिवाइडेड इंडियन हिस्ट्री ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन. लेकिन क्या हिस्ट्री को खाली रिलीजन से बांधना सही रहेगा? ठीक है, रिलीजन ऑफ रूलर्स खाली जो है उसके वजह से हिस्टोरिकल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं था. There were no other significant development. वो खाली उनका ये कहना था that changes were happening on the basis of religion. No other major changes were there. ऐसा नहीं था. ठीक है, changes were happening. The religion of rulers was only important historical change, and there were no other significant developments. तो इकोनॉमी में सोसाइटी वॉज देयर, कल्चर वॉज देयर. इट इज ऑल्सो इग्नोरिंग द रिच डाइवर्सिटी. हमारे यहाँ पे इंडिया में सो मेनी थिंग्स आर टू बी स्टडीड. आर वी ओनली स्टडीइंग द रिलीजन? ओके, सो दे डिवाइडेड इंडियन हिस्ट्री इनटू हिंदू, Muslim and British were three periods. Other important aspects were ignored. Try to understand. Ignored नहीं, शायद उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. There were मतलब कि economy, society, culture, the diversity of the continent, subcontinent. ये भी चीजें हमको पढ़नी है ना. Are we only studying about religion? क्या हम खाली religion पे ही अपने आप को बेस करेंगे? No, that is not the thing. Got it? Okay. तो some historians have followed Hindu, Muslim and British. अलग अलग हिस्ट्री, अलग अलग there were at different times there were different people who were doing lot of research work. Okay, histories last year में भी आपने पढ़ा है, आप 6 में भी पढ़ चुके हो, 7 में भी आपने हिस्ट्री पढ़ा है. वाइड रेंज ऑफ अर्ली सोसाइटीज के बारे में आपने पढ़ा इन द लास्ट ईयर. Hunter gatherers were there, farmers were there, people living in towns and villages, early empires and kingdoms. So history which we are studying this year is described as medieval. ये जो सारा आपने पढ़ा, अभी हमने जो the chapters that we have completed, the things that we have done is the medieval history. इसके बारे में we will be in this, we will be knowing more about. हमको क्या पता चला? We came to know about the peasant societies, about the rise of regional and imperial state formations. कभी कभी क्या होता था, at the cost of pastoral and forest people. Sometimes it was on the basis of pastoralist and forest people. Development of Hinduism happened, Islam happened. Major religions were there, arrival of European trading companies. ये सारी चीजें हमने इस बुक में पढ़ी. 1000 years ही है, बहुत सारे चेंजेस हुए. 16th century, 18th centuries, quite different from the 8th or the 11th century. Okay? Lot of changes have happened. In this period, where we are assessing different centuries. हम 1-2 साल की हिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. We are not assessing the history of 1 or 2 years. It is complete history of 1000 years. में 100 years में हमने डिवाइड कर लिया है. ठीक है. मिडिवल पीरियड तो क्या होता है? मॉडर्न पीरियड. मॉडर्न कैरीज अ सेंस ऑफ मटीरियल प्रोग्रेस. मॉडर्न हम इसलिए कह रहे हैं क्योंकि द प्रोग्रेस, द डेवलपमेंट दैट वाज देयर वाज इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट मैनर. Modern period is there. Modernity is there. So it is carrying with it a sense of material progress. बहुत सारा डेवलपमेंट हुआ. The development that had happened, it had happened in a very distinct manner, and intellectual advancement was there. People and their thought process have also changed. क्योंकि इसी को हम मॉडर्न कहते हैं. When we change according to the time, we have changed according to the time. So when we are changing, modernity is happening. Societies, subcontinents were transformed. Economies had happened in several regions. बहुत सारे areas में different economies have developed. And there was a level of prosperity. बहुत high level of prosperity was there, due to which there was the interest of European trading companies. They came here. India was very well known in most parts of the world. तो लोग देखना चाहते थे कि आखिर what is this country? आखिर इस कंट्री में क्या है? What is so unique in this country? People wanted to understand. And जब भी हम whenever we can compare what we are reading, तो we look for changes, and wherever we can we look at the world around us to see कि और क्या क्या चेंज हुआ है and क्या क्या चीजें सेम रही हैं. चेंजेस हुए लेकिन customs, traditions, cultures remain the same. Once we will be revising the question answers also, children. So आप question answers हम करेंगे, and you just, it is just for your revision purpose. Okay, children. So let's see and revise the question answers. Let's do it.
So students, as you know, we have completed the revision of this chapter, tracing changes through 1,000 years. 1,000 years की history हम पढ़ रहे हैं. So let's understand these questions that are here. Who was considered a foreigner in the past? Any stranger who was not a part of the society or culture was considered a foreigner. And मतलब जो जिस किसी गांव में अगर कोई नहीं रह रहा है, किसी भी गांव में, if any new person has come, was a foreigner. True and false देख लो बच्चों. First one is, we did not find inscriptions for the period after 700. It is false. Every time inscriptions have been there. Marathas asserted their political importance during their period. True. Forest dwellers were pushed out of their lands with the spread of agricultural settlements. It is true. Okay, and Ghiyasuddin Balban controlled Manipur and Kashmir. This is false. Now children, fill in the blanks. Of course, archives are places where manuscripts are kept, and the 14th century chronicler. Children, I wanted to give you a homework. You have to give me the informations about chronicler. Okay, please tell me something about chronicler. So the person who was writing history, Ziauddin Barani, was a 14th century chronicler. And which were the new crops introduced into the subcontinent during this period? Okay, so potato, corn, chili, tea and coffee are some of the new crops. Technological changes, we have to show the technological changes during this period. क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजी में चेंज हुआ है? You will be talking about Persian wheels, you will be talking about spinning wheel in weaving and firearms in combat. पहली बार बंदूकें बनी, पहली बार different kind of equipments were made which were used during the time of battle. Okay, आपको ये बताना है. उसके बाद मेजर रिलीजियस डेवलपमेंट्स क्या हुए थे ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. इम्पॉर्टेंट चेंजेस इसमें नए नए भगवान की पूजा होती थी. हिंदूज स्टार्टेड कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ टेम्पल. ये कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं, इसको आप देख लीजिए. इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ ब्राह्मण्स, प्रीस्ट्स, and they became dominant groups of the society. And then idea of bhakti have also emerged, that is of loving personal deity. इस पीरियड में क्या हुआ है? न्यू रिलीजन्स लाइक इस्लाम अपीयर्ड इन द सब कॉन्टिनेंट. रिलीजन के बारे में जब आप देंगे, when you are talking about Hinduism, you also need to mention about Islam also. Got it, children? So please do mention about it. And new religions like Islam was also found out. Teachings of Holy Quran was made clear to the people, and many rulers were patrons of Islam and the ulama. Next important thing, big answers are there. Hindustan ka terminology, how it has changed over the centuries. From such a long time, how the terminology have changed. Okay. So Hindustan has changed over the centuries. Meaning of Hindustan have changed over the centuries. पूरे 100 सालों में. And 13th century में मिनहाज ए सिराज के बारे में दिया हुआ है. He was a chronicler who has written in Persian. एंड पहली बार हिंदुस्तान इन्होंने यूज़ किया है पॉलिटिकल सेंस में. हिंदुस्तान में कभी भी साउथ इंडिया वॉज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. इट वॉज द प्लेस वेयर द हिंदूज वेयर लिविंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन. ये लेकिन इन रियलिटी नहीं था. 14th सेंचुरी पोएट अमीर खुसरो जो है, he has used the word Hind for culture and people of Indus River. इसके बाद हिंदुस्तान का जो हिस्ट्री है ना, यू नीड टू अबाउट इट. इट वॉज नेवर द पॉलिटिकल एंड नेशनल मीनिंग जो आज हम जो बातें करते हैं, लेकिन नाउ इट इज़ यूज्ड इन इंडिया फॉर वेरियस पर्पसेस. हाउ वेर द अफेयर्स ऑफ जातीज रेगुलेटेड. जातीज के बारे में हमने पढ़ा है. पंचायत वॉज देयर. जातीज हैड देयर ओन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. यू हैव टू मेंशन अबाउट इट. एंड विलेज में जो रूल्स होते थे, दैट ऑल्सो वॉज फॉलोड बाई दी जातीज. पैन रीजनल एम्पायर का मतलब विच वेयर स्पैनिंग डाइवर्स, बहुत जगह पे थे, विच वॉज एक्सपैंडेड टू लार्ज रीजन. इसमें वी हैव पैन रीजनल एम्पायर्स ऑफ चोलास, खलजीज, तुगलक्स एंड मुगल्स. गॉट इट. इसके बाद मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स में क्या क्या था, you can take out of this and then you can write down these answers or practice these answers. And how do historians divide the past into periods? Do they face any problems? ये देख लेना. Modernity, Hindu, Muslim and British period has been divided and how it has been used बताना है. Take a screenshot of this question and then you can write it down. Okay, children. Thank you, children, and all the best to you, children.